Okay, Dr. Rahman, so I've changed my lifestyle to not eat so much carbs, and I understand Greek yogurt helps with pre-diabetes and diabetes, but it does not taste good, the no flavor ones. So I've just been mixing it with some fruit, but it doesn't help. It does satisfy my hunger, and it keeps me full for a long time, but it just doesn't taste good. So how can I enjoy eating it so that I can keep it in my diet?
That's an excellent question, by the way. Greek yogurt, whole milk, is recommended by myself because it has a high protein content, and you should try to look on the side content if it is at least offering you 15 gram and above per serving. Okay, so there is a way that I have seen that some people loathe its taste. Because it's a little different taste than a regular yogurt, but the regular yogurt has a lot more carbohydrates. This one has high protein content, and that's why the taste is a little bit difficult. So what I recommend is that whatever amount you want to eat, a few tablespoonful, you put it out on a utensil. You leave it out. So you put it out. You mix it with your spoon. You leave it out for an hour, okay? That thaws the yogurt, and then you could put small amount of whole milk into it and mix it. That helps to, offset some taste issues. And then you could add some fruit into it, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, banana, whatever you want to add to flavor it if that's what you want, or you could put even nuts on it, okay? So.
Thank you, Dr. Rahman.
You're welcome.